Hey everybody, Boyd here with you. Well, I guess you guys made it through the little slideshow here at the beginning, and so you kind of know what the story is all about here. And I wanted to show you at the end what I came up with for our little tribute truck here for George and Mike's dad, and them, of course, and their brother Rick. Like I said, I've known those guys since they were really little when we first moved into the neighborhood 30 years ago, and they grew up to be car guys, and you know, they've had their dad's truck sitting there all this time. He passed away several years ago, and there was sort of this plan, you know, to upgrade the truck. And so this is what I came up with, kind of like the old TV series where they would come and, you know, the relatives of the guy who had the vehicle, whatever, pretend like it had gotten stolen or something like that, and they would send it off to a like a Chip Foose type guy or something like that, and bring the vehicle back all fixed up and surprise the people. So this was kind of my little idea I had here, if we could have done this for George and Mike's dad, and you know, turned the truck around and, you know, kind of like maybe how he would have liked to seen it done. But we had a lot of fun with this. It turned out really nice. You can see I just kind of took the basic colors and upgraded it to more sort of a more modern look. I'll try to get you a little bit more light. Now in the video, the dark area on the truck might look like it's black, but it's actually a really dark candy midnight blue, and then we did the lighter blue in here in a more of a metallic, you know, to kind of, like I said, to bring it up to kind of a more modern you know, look. With the wheels, we lowered it, not crazy slammed low, just like a nice cruising kind of low. We did a mini tub here on the back to get these nice fat wheels underneath of it. If I can get you a nice shot of that here and get enough light on that, you can see we've got that looking really cool. Did the tonneau cover on the back, and tried to upgrade it to the the top of the line Ranger trim that they would have had for 1968. And then we'll just show you, we did the engine up here, Ford classic Thunderbird 427 setup with the dual carbs and that classic Thunderbird air cleaner, all kind of air cleaner, kind of Cobra set up, and did the wires and a couple of. This is a really awesome model kit, you guys. This Mobius kit here, I highly recommend it. It's a excellent kit to work with. Everything fit perfectly. I really like how they've got the glass on this one on the front going on the outside, so you can do all your work and not worry about glue globbing it, and that's a really cool way to go about that. But yeah, if I can get in here, we got the interior all done up, you know, modernized a little bit. And here's the bottom. I made a custom dual exhaust. It came with a single exhaust, so I just matched up the one on the right, and then I made the custom tailpipes with the little tips on there. And now you can see the size of the tires and everything. I think it looks really cool. Did the bare metal foil. So this turned out really neat, and I'm about to go down there and surprise them with it. I don't know what kind of reaction video, or if they'll let me post a reaction video with them in the picture, but hopefully we can do that, and you guys will see that at the end of this video here. If not, you know, we'll just kind of talk about it. I'll come back here towards the end, but thought you guys might enjoy seeing this. We'll turn it around a couple times for you. And it, like I said, it was an awesome model kit. To me, you guys, scale modeling is sometimes, you know, this is what it's all about, you know, kind of doing something like this. You know, a particular subject that somebody's really fond of, you can do like a little tribute, or, you know, something like that, and it just brings the whole modeling thing to a whole nother level. And I'm just hoping that I'm hoping, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be really pleased with this, and it'll become like sort of a family heirloom that you know, it never unfortunately got to happen in real life, but you know, we got this sort of vision of what it could have been, and so there we go. I'm trying to make sure I'm focused for you guys here. There we go. That's a little blurry up close, but anyway, that's our truck, you guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll be back again with some more model building and things like that. I'm feeling good, and again, thanks for all your support, guys. We'll see you next time. Take care and happy modeling.